I also can't sit still when I listen to Hey Little Girl. Tell us about that song too.
Hey Little Girl is a great song. It's actually the song about a girl that steals a guitar from a guitar player who makes his living in the band. And when I was writing the song, it had old lyrics to it that didn't really make any sense. So when I was like writing the song for the album and reworking the lyrics, I pictured my guitar player, our guitar player in Hamilton's Bobby Black Hamilton, and some of the questionable ladies that he might have dated in his life. He's actually got a great girl now that he's with. Her name's Sugar Bee. Anyway, Bob's had some questionable girls, and he actually had a guitar stolen before, as well as Cranford did too. So it was kind of like mixing both of their stories together, and you're having some fun with this girl. You meet her at the show, and you end up hanging out after the show and whatnot. And then we wakes up the next day in true rock star form. The guitar's gone.